You can see on the bottom of your screen the New York Stock Exchange, United Airlines, and also the Wall Street Journal. All three organizations suffering some kind of computer glitching that has caused either stoppage or severe disruption in their operations today. I'm told that the Wall Street Journal is now partially back up and running. I don't know if we still have that shot. If you go to the wallstreetjournal.com, it had a big oops, and it did not look very official. It certainly looked like a big problem had befallen the Wall Street Journal. Oops, 504. I forgot the 504. Something did not respond fast enough. That's all we know. So now, apparently, the page looks like this. At least there's no oops. Some people are seeing the white page, and other people, when they log on, are actually seeing this page that you see on your screen right now, which looks, look, I can't read the small print in the best of times with these eyes, and I certainly can't read it on the TV screen, but it looks, at least for all intents and purposes, like things may be up and running. The headline, trading halted on the NYSE. That's certainly a most recent headline as well. I want to bring in Paula Monica. So I know you've got your sources. Has anybody been able to talk about the Wall Street Journal?
Well, the Wall Street Journal, it does look like it's the homepage. You had that 504 message, and then it became blank, but I don't know if you want to focus in on that or not. This is the actual story about the market being halted right now. So people are able, it is updating, trading halted on NYSE. So clearly the WSJ site is not entirely down. So that, I guess, is one potential positive there, but we have no idea why their homepage went down.
Here's what, Paul, it looks like when you refresh. It looks, I mean, for all intents and purposes, like the standard, the standard issue, except for the top line. WallStreetJournal.com is having technical difficulties. Right. There's a little more.
Yeah, it's normal if you're going through.
Full site will return shortly. There you go.
If you're going through a search engine or social media, you can get individual stories, it looks like.
The individual stories, but if you still go to WallStreetJournal.com, you're going to get the blank page for the most part. So, Ron, I mean, for a while there, when we started this broadcast, it was a little worrisome that there were these three extraordinarily coincidental, and maybe I'm using the word coincidental, maybe not, but at this point it looks pretty coincidental that these three major American organizations were suffering from computer problems.
Yeah, and you know, it really brings up the fact of just how dependent trading is on computerized systems. You know, 80% of all trading is done through computer programs. When technology goes down, it can move global markets. I mean, I have no doubt that that probably will happen once the systems come back up. And we're going to see some big corrections.
We're now at, let's see, 52 minutes, I think, since things froze, Maggie. The reverberations, I can't imagine, haven't reached global markets.
Oh, no, they will. And you know what I think what's worrying her, Ashley, and this is the conversation that's going to happen at the New York Stock Exchange. After 9/11, so much effort was put in to make sure that there were contingencies, that something couldn't knock the market offline. I mean, they spent months and millions of dollars doing that, and I think there was a great deal of confidence. And in fact, the New York Stock Exchange was standing up pretty proud when the NASDAQ had computer glitches. The fact that it can go offline like this and that it is still vulnerable despite all the efforts, even on a federal level, that the market is vulnerable to a computer shutdown like this has got to be a warning shot. Because security experts have always worried about this, but now we all know it.
And isn't that effectively what the NYSE trumpets itself as being sort of impervious to this kind of crime or terror?
But they've had problems before, even if it's not crime or terror. They have had glitches. We had the flash crash in 2010 when you had some high-profile companies that went down to a penny per share. If you remember that,
and
it was
not
insane.
Crime and terror related.
It wasn't crime and terror. It was just an actual fat finger sort of glitch that we have all been hearing about.
The difference we're going to see today, though, is when they go to reopen, there are human beings that Allison said are playing video games right now, waiting to see what happens. But those human beings are professionals, and they will help the market open in an orderly way. You won't, when it's just left to computers, you're all going to flood once it reopens again. This is why they always say you still need human beings at the controls, because those floor traders will help.
I'm going to go to break, and I'm going to tell our viewers in a moment, we're going to go back to the New York Stock Exchange, but you have to settle something for a lot of people who are watching their screen and seeing numbers constantly moving. So we were at, minus 200, now we're at minus 193.82, but we're frozen. How does that work?
Because there are still, and Paul can talk to this too, there are still other platforms that are working. The NASDAQ is up and running, and it trades NYSE-listed stocks. You have ARCA, BATS, other computer platforms that are still working.
Microsoft, Intel, and Cisco are huge companies in the Dow that trade on the NASDAQ.
And they are
That's why they're still moving. So not everyone on Wall Street is playing Candy Crush Saga.
The entire system is not shut down. There is still trading going on.
just so that everybody with a 401k out there who's freaking out at this point, those numbers that you're seeing on your screen solely reflect every other index, not the NYSE's index. It is frozen shut, and there is absolutely no movement anywhere.
If there's any comfort here, because you are still seeing the Dow move and other stocks are moving, you haven't really seen that much of a pullback since the trading halt. This was a bad day to begin with that had nothing to do with any of the glitches. Greece, China, so things haven't gotten worse. But, you know, that's small comfort.